Now there's some additional coding we need to do here in this login component.ts, and that work is in the ng-on-init method. So let's zoom in here for a second. And so the first thing we'll do here is we'll say this.octasignin.remove, just to remove any previous elements that were there that were rendered. And now we're going to tell them to render the sign-in widget. So render EL, so render an element. And we tell it which element to render. And we provide this as JSON. So we have element Okta sign-in widget. And so we're saying, hey, render the element with the given ID. And that's the ID that we defined in our previous HTML file. And so again, this name should be the same as the div tag in our login component.html. So whatever you have over there, make sure you have it listed here, Okta sign-in widget. You can use any name, just stay consistent between the two files. And so the user attempts to log in, we get a response, we check the response status, we see if it's successful. If so, then we'll go ahead and do a sign in with redirect. So that'll sign in the user accordingly and redirect them to our redirect URI. In the event that there was an error during sign-in, then we'll simply throw that error. Alrighty, so that's the coding there for the ng-on-init. Let me just kind of look over everything and double check it. And ooh, I see a typo. I need to put the pound or the hashtag right here on Okta sign-in widget. So it'll know how to parse that and use the appropriate element ID. So make sure you fix that in your application. Hashtag. All right, so that's all the coding here in place for our login component. And this coding here looks pretty good.